Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn camera flashlight on or off in this device. Open the camera. Okay, so on the top you can see the flashlight icon, you can see here. Otherwise tap on the four dots. Here also you can see here. Now the flashlight is turned off, disabled. That's why you can see a cross line over the flashlight icon. Right? Now I will show you. I am going to take a picture. You can see there is no flashlight. Now I am going to turn on this flashlight. Tap on this one. So every time if you want to enable this one, select this one. Select this option. Tap on this one. Now I am going to take a picture. You can see the flashlight is turned on. Now let me show you. You can see the flashlight, right? Right? You can see the flashlight. So simply in this way we can enable or turn the camera flashlight on or off in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.